Welcome to the Soul Garden channel. How's everyone doing lately? Have you ever dreamed of a vibrant garden where bright red anthuriums bloom year-round, with glossy green leaves and vigorous new shoots? Today, I'll share with you a simple yet miraculous organic recipe made from natural ingredients readily available in your kitchen. This recipe not only promotes strong roots, lush green leaves, and vibrant, long-lasting flowers, but also keeps your garden safe and free from harmful chemicals. Stick with me until the end of the video, because I'm confident you'll want to apply this right away to create a garden bursting with colorful blooms. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support our channel. Let's get started. The main ingredient today is sprouted potatoes, a nutrient treasure that many people unknowingly discard. The thin skin of sprouted potatoes is packed with potassium, phosphorus, and special compounds that promote robust Anthurium root growth, glossy leaves, and long-lasting flower colors. I'll peel off the flesh and use only the skin of one sprouted potato to maximize these nutrients. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Combined with the potato skins is 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, a natural source of nitrogen that helps leaves grow thick, dark green, and enhances photosynthesis. Additionally, coffee provides magnesium, iron, and zinc, making anthuriums healthier and more resistant to pests and weather changes. Place the sprouted potato skins and coffee grounds in 500 milliliters of boiling water and let them steep for a few hours to fully extract the nutrients. Once the mixture cools, filter out the solids, keeping only the clear liquid, then dilute it with 1.5 liters of clean water. And there you have it, a natural, safe, and highly effective nutrient solution for your beloved Anthurium pots. Method 1. After diluting the nutrient mixture, I gently pour it into a dedicated watering can and slowly water directly at the base of the Anthurium. The water seeps through the soil, delivering valuable nutrients to every tiny root, nourishing the plant from within. Watering with this organic solution not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients, but also stimulates robust root growth, helping the plant produce new shoots faster and maintain lasting vitality after repotting or pruning. With healthy roots, the plant absorbs nutrients more easily, resulting in anthuriums with evenly blooming, vibrant, and long-lasting flowers. Sprouted potato skins contain abundant starch, vitamin C, potassium, and a small amount of solanine, a natural compound with antibacterial properties that helps prevent fungal and bacterial diseases at the roots. The starch in potatoes is an easily absorbed energy source, supporting the formation of healthy new roots. Coffee grounds provide potassium, magnesium, and a small amount of nitrogen, a fantastic trio of nutrients for comprehensive growth. Potassium helps anthuriums bloom evenly and maintain vibrant colors. Nitrogen keeps leaves glossy and green, and magnesium supports photosynthesis, keeping the plant full of vitality. After watering the anthurium, I'll use the remaining solution to care for the orchid pots in the garden. Orchids also thrive with the nutrients from potato skins and coffee, especially potassium and magnesium, which promote healthy flower bud development, larger blooms, and long-lasting colors. This method allows me to care for multiple plant types simultaneously, saving time while ensuring each species receives suitable nutrients. Method 2. While waiting for the anthurium roots to absorb nutrients from the base watering, I'll use the same solution to mist evenly over the stems and leaves. Misting with the sprouted potato and coffee solution not only allows the plant to absorb nutrients quickly through the leaf surface, but also delivers essential minerals directly to the site of photosynthesis. When misting, potassium and vitamin C from the potato skins quickly penetrate the leaf epidermis, boosting resilience and helping the plant better withstand environmental changes and pests. These nutrients also enhance photosynthesis efficiency, enabling the plant to produce more energy to nourish its flowers and leaves. Coffee grounds contribute trace minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, elements that make leaves dark green, glossy, and healthy, giving the anthurium a refreshed appearance. I'll use the remaining solution to mist the orchid pots in the garden. For orchids, foliar feeding helps deliver potassium and magnesium directly, supporting healthy flower bud growth, glossy leaves, and increased resistance to fungal diseases. This method nurtures both anthuriums and orchids, keeping the garden vibrant and blooming year-round. Method 3. After misting to cool and hydrate the plant, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to gently wipe away any water droplets lingering on the leaf tips and crevices. This isn't just a small step, but a crucial part of care, as keeping the leaf surface dry and clean helps anthuriums maintain their characteristic glossy green shine, like a natural waxy coating. Healthy leaves are the plant's energy factory, absorbing light and converting it into nutrients to nourish the stems and flowers. When leaves are meticulously cared for, they photosynthesize more efficiently, helping anthurium flowers last longer with vibrant, freshly bloomed colors. This gentle leaf wiping habit is also a way to show care, helping the plant feel the love from its caretaker. For Phalaenopsis orchids, pay special attention to the leaf axils and tips, where water tends to collect. After misting, Tilt the pot slightly to let water drain, then use a soft cotton pad to wipe clean, preventing waterlogging or damage to tender tips. After completing all care steps, place the Anthurium in an ideal spot, a cool, well-ventilated area with soft, indirect light and good air circulation without strong winds. Results after 2 months. After 2 months of patient care, the Anthurium has shown remarkable signs of growth. From the soil, new ivory-white roots have started to emerge, sometimes with pale green tips, proof that the plant has fully adapted to its new environment and is actively absorbing nutrients. The leaves have become sturdier with a deep, glossy green, radiating vibrant vitality. New flower stalks have begun to rise, carrying small buds that are gradually growing, promising to bloom into radiant, elegant, and long-lasting flowers. At this stage, you can be confident the plant is thriving. Just continue gentle care, periodic nutrient feeding, and monitoring, and the Anthurium will maintain its stunning beauty for a long time. The Phalaenopsis orchids in the garden are equally dazzling. Lush green aerial roots grow long and anchor firmly to the medium. And a few flower spikes have started to form buds, promising to bloom into graceful, elegant orchid flowers. Lilies also show promising results. Upright leaves, fresh green color, and sturdy stems. Plump flower buds are forming, signaling an approaching season of fragrant blooms. If you love watching your garden transform day by day like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the care tips from Soul Garden. Each week, I'll bring you easy-to-make, effective, and safe organic fertilizer recipes to keep your plants healthy, flowers beautiful, and your heart blooming alongside each new leaf. See you in the next video, where we'll continue our journey of sowing green seeds and nurturing both the garden and the soul.